This is the most beautiful lip combo for the summer. This will stay on all day long. You can eat, drink, you can even eat a greasy hamburger and fries, and this does not budge. First thing I wanna do, I wanna have super hydrated, moisturized lips. And for my lip stain, I'm going to use this lip mask stain from the brand Wonder Skin. The longer you let it sit, the more pigmented it will look. I'm gonna let it sit for maybe 30 seconds, and then I'm going to gently wipe it off with a paper towel. I also like to wear a lip liner. This is by the brand Wet n Wild. It's like a lip stain blade. It's kind of like a marker. And I did put it a little too thick on the upper, but that's okay. And then just use whatever lip gloss. This is by NYX. This is one of their glitter or glimmer ones. But this is the lip combo that I've been wearing in almost every single video lately. It will stay put all day long. Of course, I'll have to touch up my lip gloss throughout the day, but the rest of this will not budge.